We had a really nice improvement last week for mortgage rates in the midst of all this craziness. Well, we continue to hear talk about a trade war and tariffs being in place, and this is dominating the news and it's impacting the markets in really big ways. I'm sure you've seen that in your 401k and your investments. So far, all these have really been positive impacts for mortgage rates. Remember, what's bad for the markets is typically good for bonds, which are the source for our mortgage funding. Most economic reports last week, though, were pretty much on par with expectations. No surprise in the data, it was all about the trade war. What's going on this week? Well, I'm sure we'll see more on this whole trade war and tariffs. Monday and Tuesday are quiet. Wednesday, we get the Fed meeting minutes. This is important because we get to look and see what the type of discussion was about raising or lowering interest rates. Then Thursday and Friday are both inflation reports with CPI and PPI due out. So it's going to be a really busy week. Where are we at on rates? The 30-year is at 6.60. The 15-year is at 6.02. That's right, almost in the fives. And the FHA is at 6.03. These are average rates according to Mortgage News Daily, and I'll be happy to talk to you about your own personal rate quote if you would like to do that. In fact, if you have a loan that you've gotten in the last 3 years, you absolutely should have a phone call with me this week. We are closing in on the window for a lot of people to pull the trigger on financial benefit through refinances. So please, pick up the phone and call Weber Mortgage at 823-6701. Let's talk about your situation, your current rate, your long-term plan for the house, what the goal is for your monthly savings, and then is now the right time for you to pull the trigger on that refinance. We love doing this for you because we are a family in the business of helping families.